Silence. It worked really well for Charlie Chaplin, and it can be so many things when it's used in different ways. It's not just about being quiet. It can really mean something. Silence can be awkward. The kind of silence you can be too embarrassed to break, comic genius or not. You know, those times when nobody knows what to say next. Silence can be golden. That's the kind of silence you get when saying nothing is a far better option than speaking. Some people can carry it with just a look. Silence can be bliss. Those precious moments in your day when you can relax and enjoy the silence. Charlie! And silence can be powerful. The kind of silence that says more than words ever could. As a coach, you can use the power of silence to make your coaching more effective. You're in trouble now, Mr. Chaplin. This course will teach you all about the power of silence, how silence can benefit you as a coach, and how to use silence successfully.